Hello there, this is Frida. I realize I really need to make a video about this day lotion that some of you have a problem keep it dispensing. So this is actually a airless pump, and so it does not have a tube, so that you can actually get to use every drop of the product. But the problem run into it is along the line that you will have problem pumping it. So what happened is, this is what you can do. You can see the back lid over here. You can use the back of like a steel silverware, and you bang it really hard. Okay, I don't want to bang this out, but a couple times that lid will dislodge. And after it came off, then you can actually see the inside of the tube. This one already used up a little bit, so it's very much on top, but most of the time after you dislodge it, it will be somewhere over here, and all you do is you push it. You can hear it, and when you push it up, you actually get the air out, and then you can easily dispense. So this would apply to day lotion, advanced day serum, advanced night serum, because they are what we call the airless pump. So, okay, I hope this helped. Thank you so much.